Now I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Galaxy Buds Live in Mystic Black. So the first thing I had to do here is thank Samsung for sending me these. I'm also very curious to see what they look like because they look like little beans on the outside of the box. I'm also going to be connecting these to the Galaxy S21 FE. Okay, so here we go. Not a whole lot in the box. It looks like probably just a charging cable, maybe some earbud pieces. We'll find out in a second. Also, these are currently selling between $140 and $160, but Samsung has all kinds of discounts where you can get that price down. Okay, it looks like it's a charging cable for sure. I'm just going to throw these to the side, and we're going to take a look at the actual buds right here. Now, they are wrapped a bit. Just going to make sure there's nothing else in the box. Okay, yeah, we're good to go. Let's get this plastic off these. All right, and we are good to go. Okay, so let's open them up and take a look at them. The moment of truth, and yes, they look like little beans. Pretty crazy. All right, let's take them out and get a closer look at them. I'm gonna hold them up to the camera for you guys. Okay, so they are pretty small. You know, from what I've seen too with people actually using them, it looks like they fit pretty good in your ears. Obviously, you've just got one size, so they have to fit, right? All right, anyways, let's get a quick connection going here. After we do that, I'm going to, play some of the sound on it and cover some more of the specs. All right, looks like there's no button to connect here. I think I'm going to put them back in place, and we'll see if we can get a connection this way. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to open them up. We finally got the connection to work here. I'm going to press connect, and we're going to take a look at some of the different options. All right, pretty cool. All right. All right, there we go. All right, so you've got some different options for the settings on here once they're connected. Now, I got to point out these are IPX2 waterproof rated. They are active noise canceling, which is pretty cool. And the sound quality is supposed to be really good. These are also wireless and fast charging. And they work on both iOS and Android. So if you are using an iOS phone, then, or iOS device, they will work. Anyways, let's check out some of the sound quality. I'm going to hold them up to the camera for like 30 seconds. Okay, I gotta say, just from that quick test, these little earbuds are extremely loud. The last thing I gotta point out is that the battery life on these, you're gonna get between 6 and 8 hours, which is pretty standard for a lot of wireless earbuds, especially when it comes to like the Beats earbuds that are currently available in the market. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I might put out a couple more videos on these earbuds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.